Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe just yet, smash that subscribe button. It's free. You'll have access to an unlimited amount of sauce and gravy recipes. In this recipe, we're going to dive into how to make glaze for chicken wings. Not just an ordinary chicken glaze, Jack Daniel's glaze for chicken wings. 2 different mixed drink recipes, 1 Jack and Coke and 1 Jack and Ginger. Let's go! Here are the ingredients for a Jack and Coke glaze for chicken wings. 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 clove of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 1/4 of a cup of hot sauce for chicken wings. I'm using Texas Pete. We'll juice half of a lemon, 1 cup of Coca-Cola, and 1/4 of a cup of Jack Daniel's. Work with the Jack Daniel's first. 1/4 of a cup of Jack Daniel's, pour it on into a saucepan. We're going to burn off the alcohol first. Turn on the burner to medium-high heat. We want that great Jack Daniel's flavor for the chicken wing glaze, but we don't want that overpowering alcohol taste. Okay, so that looks good. Now we're going to add 1 cup of Coca-Cola for the Jack and Coke glaze for wings. And now you can add the rest of the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, regular soy. 1/4 of a cup of hot wing sauce. So not hot sauce, but hot wing sauce. I'm using Texas Pete. 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. 1 clove of garlic minced. And then the juice of half of a lemon. We'll save the butter till the end. Give it a little bit of a stir. Once it starts to come to a simmer, you can turn the heat down to medium. Reduce this down until it becomes nice and thick for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes, it's reduced down. The bubbles are becoming really well pronounced. It's thick. Check it out. It's reduced by about half. This is right where we want to be. So check it out. Look at that. It coats the back of the spoon. We'll turn off the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Give it a little bit of a mix. And as this cools, it will become even thicker. So you can make this, set it to the side, make those chicken wings. Once those chicken wings are done, break this out, pour it on, ready to go. Check it out. That's how you make a Jack and Coke glaze for chicken wings. The wings are ready, put them in a bowl, grab that Jack and Coke glaze. Check it out. It's nice and thick. Look at that. Oh yeah. Pour a little in. Don't be shy, pour some in there. Take that bowl, give them a little shimmy, flip them around, get them well coated. Give them a shake. Check it out, look at that. Jack and Coke glaze for chicken wings. Oh yeah. That's good. Sweet, a little bit of spice, hint of Jack Daniel's. Perfect. Here we go with a Jack Daniel's glaze for chicken wings. Number 2, Jack and Ginger. Let's go. These are the ingredients for a Jack and Ginger glaze for chicken wings. 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of W sauce, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, this is the ground ginger that I used, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little heat, half of the lemon juiced, 1 cup of 7-Up, 1/4 of a cup of Jack Daniels. Grab a saucepan, add 1/4 of a cup of Jack Daniels. Just pour it on in. Crank that burner up to medium high heat. And the same thing goes for this glaze for chicken wings. We want that delicious, smoky Jack Daniels flavor, but we don't want that overpowering alcohol taste, so burn it off. So it's looking good, that's perfect. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of 7-Up. So now we can add the remaining portion of our ingredients. We have 2 tablespoons of the ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of W sauce, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half of a lemon juiced, and give it a little bit of a mix. And while you stir, it'd be a perfect time to smash that like button to get that algorithm to shoot this video out to all those people that might enjoy learning how to make a Jack Daniels glaze for chicken wings. And while you're there, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and to thank you for your support, I'm going to show you a picture of a cute armadillo. Bring this to a simmer, reduce this for 5 to 15 minutes until it becomes nice and thick over medium heat. And I bet you're wondering why I chose to use 7-Up instead of ginger ale. Well, the 7-Up has a little bit more of a sweeter taste to it than the ginger ale. You can use ginger ale, you just might have to add a tiny bit more sugar. But the 7-Up, it really works out great with its sweet taste for a glaze for chicken wings. We've reduced it down for about 10 minutes. The bubbles are becoming more pronounced. It's starting to get thicker. Starting to coat the back of the spoon. It's looking really good. So we've reduced it down by about half. We can turn off the heat. We can add our 1 tablespoon of butter. It's looking really good, nice and thick. It'll really coat those chicken wings well. So that's how you make a Jack and Ginger glaze for chicken wings. So you can pour this into a glass container. As it starts to cool off, it'll become a little bit thicker. And then now, it's time to knock out those wings. Grab your Jack and Ginger glaze for the chicken wings. Give it a little bit of a mix. Check it out, look at that. Look how thick that is. Coats the back of the spoon really well. If it's too thick, if it's sat out a little bit too long while you were cooking the chicken wings, you can warm it up in the microwave, but then just drizzle a little bit on there. Perfect. Give them a little bit of shake, give them a shimmy. Mix them up, mix them in, mix it. Get all those guys covered. And there you go. That's how you make a Jack and Ginger glaze for chicken wings. Well, thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you enjoyed these 2 different recipes on how to make Jack Daniels homemade glazes for chicken wings. If you like sauces for chicken, you might want to check out this teriyaki sauce or click on this spicy wing sauce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.